What's up, gang? The last time I was on a bike, I don't even remember when it was. Let's reset. We just filled the tank, so we reset the trip meter. And we're on Main. But yeah, last time I think we were on the 97 Honda Magna wrecked rebuild. And that's where we are again today. I think we were trying to kill the dead spot from fuel sitting in there. We just got non-ethanol fuel so it doesn't gum her up. But I'll tell you what, I just ran down here to the gas station and it seems completely fine. I haven't had anything worry me. Vance & Hines pipes. This thing sounds awesome. I just aired up the tires and everything seems good to go. Like I said, not finding a dead spot. Shut that. I got bugs all over my helmet from the last time I didn't clean it off. Hopefully camera wise we're good and you guys aren't seeing dead bugs. I'm just gonna run down here real quick, see if there's any sputters. Just a tiny bit there, but it's really not affecting rideability. Oh, there must have been an accident up here because there was stuff on the road. Yeah, right there a little bit, but not bad. I did put some Startron, but it didn't work its way through yet. There's no way that cleaned it up. But that will help in the long run, getting this thing figured out. So anyway, it's gonna run here a little bit. I think I did not charge the battery on the camera, so chances of that being hanging with us will be slim. Probably shut down on me. But right now, I think it's good to go out for an evening ride with my wife. She's acting completely normal and happy. Sounding good to me. 97 wrecked rebuild. My turn signal's on. I turned it off. Everything's good. This is a cool little thing here with corn on both sides. I feel like the corn got tall this year. I don't know. Corn just seems extra tall. But this is a beautiful bike. I love the exhaust on this thing. It's really just a comfortable ride. 5-speed, 80 some horsepower. You'll see it say 82, some say 84. But like I said, 97 Honda Magna VF750C. Chain drive. If you know the Magnas, a lot of the old ones are shaft drive, other than I believe 250, which we did not get in the United States. 500 Magnas, they might have been chain drive. Yeah, she's getting up and going. I think just by riding her, when these bikes, carburetor bikes, sit, they end up gumming up, and especially if you're not using non-ethanol, guys, you are killing your bikes. You can use that stuff if you're running it every day, every week, but if it sits for a couple weeks, you're tearing those carbs out and you're cleaning them up. Sometimes you can clean them up with a little bit of heavy duty ride, but not often. A lot of times that ethanol gets in there and makes a mess of your carburetors. I do not know. Hey, squirrel. Yeah, you don't want to get hit by me. I won't hit you. I do not know how fuel injected bikes are, but carbureted bikes and ethanol fuel do not mix. Like I said, if you're running them all the time, daily driver, you might be fine. But I try to use ethanol free as often as possible. This bike did end up needing a fuel up where I didn't have ethanol free, so that might be what gummed it up. I don't know. It seems to be working itself out. We need to get some regular rides. It is getting cooler, so less riding, I guess. But hopefully I ramp it up and put more videos out on the channel, because like I said, it's been mostly car related content. I know a lot of you guys are here for bikes. Let me know if you're here for cars too. See what y'all want to see. Maybe I can do more of either. If I see a cool car, I'm gonna make a video about it. But if you're here for motorcycle content, give me a thumbs up in the comment. Whatever you want to do. Here we go. She's feeling good, running great. Guys, I'm gonna go run off into the sunset, and I will see you on the next one. Get out and ride! These Magnas are fun to run around. The heart of a sport bike V4 engine. You guys do know that's where they developed this engine for. Sport bike Interceptor. If you don't know, go back and find videos on that. I don't have a ton of Interceptor footage. I have one, but I don't know if I can save it. It's kind of a basket case. I got it with the carbs all ripped up, so I don't know, maybe I'll start cleaning them, but I don't even know if I have all the parts. And the tank's roached. That poor Interceptor, 86 I think, Interceptor 700. This bike breathes. Love it, it's so good. We have other Magnas on the channel. This was the wrecked rebuild. 97. Go back and watch all the videos. This thing came a long way, and now she's good. Now she's happy. Now she's running. Now she's on the road. We have a 94 that's running good on the road. That got a lot of new parts. That thing's great. They're the same bike, different exhaust, but still same ride. What else do we got? We got the Sabre 84 1100. We do have other 1100 Magnas on the channel. We got to get one running though. Time to get one running for you guys and me. I need a Magna 1100 to go. The Sabre that's running, she has 21 horsepower. This has 80 some. Sabre is the most horsepower bike I have. We also have shadow content on the channel. Go back and watch those. Guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and go back and watch the couple hundred videos that we have. I'll see you on those, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe till we see you again. Get out and ride. Bye.